Hey, I'm here with Jason from Hite Studios. What you got going on, Jason? This is pretty interesting looking stuff.
Hey, yeah, so I'm a crazy sculptor guy that fell in love with synthesizers a few years ago and decided to build my own Eurorack case. So this is a 120 HP Eurorack case that's got internal lights. If you haven't gotten a look, check out the back really quick. Can you guys move for 1 second? So the back, it's meant for performance, and it reacts to sound. Eventually I want to have like 4 of these guys going on. So I have or 3 of these, so I have like 360 HP. So in addition to that, I have I'm really into the Elektron gear as well. So I have an Elektron Digitakt and an Elektron Syntakt, and I built a case for that as well. So these are all 3D printed in an engineering resin, and it also has a battery compartment that'll run the devices as well, and it's got internal LEDs. There's a little battery compartment in there.
That is so cool.
And then for the show, I made just a few spacers or blank panels. So these glow in the dark. They're kind of fun. So if you have extra room in your case or you don't want a hole, you can put the spacers in there.
Yeah, that's cool. So what kind of production? You were saying you're not making a lot of these things.
Yeah, I'm an artist, basically. So I'm going to make 5 of these, the Elektron box cases. And then I'm not sure about these yet. Maybe I'll make a few of them. It's a prototype right now, so I'm kind of getting feedback from people to see what they think. But so far, it's been really good. So maybe I'll make some. If I do those, this is all 3D printed. If I'm going to make them, I would probably mold them and do like an injection mold kind of thing with that. It would be much easier to make.
Well, they look really cool. So, I mean, you said you're not building a lot of these, but if people want to buy them from you, can they?
Yeah, they can. Yeah, they can.
So where do they get information about that?
They can go to HiteStudios.com to find information on them.
Cool. Do you have pricing on them?
This guy's the case here is $2,500, and you can. I'm only making 5, so if you get one of them, you can have it any color you want, because I'm custom making them. So you can have it.
Cool.
Pink if you want.
Yeah.
I'll do a custom paint job, and for these, I'm not sure yet. Maybe $5,000. That's kind of expensive for a case, but it's all going to be handmade by me. And these are vacuform little covers here. The one over here opens as well. So this controls all your lights inside. So if you look over here, the lights will shut off. So you can, and some of them, so that way you can actually see what you're doing.
Yeah. Very cool.
Very influenced by H.R. Giger. Pretty much I did these for me. I'm just a guy making them pretty much out of his house, but I thought, I would show it, and if anybody wanted one, I could make a couple more. But I'm also really interested in doing more for other people, like if they want to design like a synth enclosure or that kind of thing. I'm also offering my services as a product designer to do other things for other manufacturers who might actually be able to make more than 5.
Well, it's very unique, and it's a nice addition to the show.
Thank you.
Thanks.